morning to everyone. Myself P. Kalyani, working as a CRT Bioscience, KGBV Peddavangara from Mohbad district. Today my topic is separation of substances. Subtopic is methods of separation. In that, hand picking and winnowing. Good morning children. How are you children? Okay, I am good. Yesterday we learnt about introduction of separation of substances and mixtures, and also we discussed use of water in separations. Now I am going to discuss about hand picking and winnowing. First of all, we will see the hand picking method. These are the rice. These are the pulses. Stones are separated by hand picking. From their rice and pulses. Stones are separated by hand picking from rice and pulses. In our daily life, we come across so many situations in which we have to separate some substances from mixtures. Some of the substances are easily separable just by taking out the impurities with hand. This method of separation is known as hand picking. But some of them we can't remove by hand, and we need some other methods of separations for such a mixtures. For example, generally, see here children, in our houses, our mother separated stones and insects from rice simply by hand. But in case of tea and tea leaves, the method of hand picking is not sufficient for the separation, and a filter is required. This is the another process of separation method. Got it children? Okay. Some of these methods are carried out in dry conditions, while some of them carried in wet conditions. The hand picking method can be separated on the basis of size, color, shape and weight, etc. Next, here observe children, hand picking method have advantages and disadvantages is there. First of all, we will see the advantages of hand picking. Okay, are you able to understand children? Yes. This method does not need any special machinery for the separation of substances. It takes less time when used for the small quantity. These are the advantages of hand picking. Next, disadvantages of hand picking. It is not feasible for a large quantity of substances. It is only possible when substances are visibly different in size. These are the disadvantages of hand picking. And another examples of hand picking method, rotten fruits removed from fresh fruits. Separates apples and oranges. These are the examples of hand picking method. Next, I am going to discuss about winnowing. When farmer thresh their crops, they get a mixture of husk and grain. On windy day, a farmer stands on a height platform and allows the mixture of grain. This is the husk. Husk is going. Grains are fall down, vertically fall down. Next, husk is slowly drop. After that, the wind carries husk is, here observe children, husk is forward. The grains are fall vertically downward. A separate heap of grains is formed. Husk is lighter than grains. This property is used to the farmers. And also we see the advantages and disadvantages of winnowing method. Children, first of all we will see the advantages of winnowing. This method does not require any machines for its functioning. That means doing the humans only in this process, winnowing process. It is completely based on human activity and hence it takes less time to process and definitely very cheap. This is the advantages of winnowing. Next children, we will see the disadvantages of winnowing. Winnowing is defined as a method in which heavier components of the mixtures are separated from the lighter substances with the help of wind. But the process does not work for materials higher than grains like stones. These are the advantages and disadvantages of winnowing method. This is the methods of separation in that hand picking and winnowing. Understood children? Okay. Thank you.